starts to spin, the room begins to glow. That old familiar rhythm from so long ago. A bass line wraps around me like your soft embrace, and suddenly the dark is filled with your sweet face. The moon leans through the curtains just the way it did the night we danced forever, or so we thought we'd live. Your laughter in the background like a whispered prayer, a ghost inside the melody, still breathing in the air. Oh, every little crackle from the vinyl's flame still carries all the sweetness of your name. Your love still lives in the sound, in every heartbeat, every underground, in the skanking guitar, the piano's cry, in the harmony drifting through the midnight sky. And though your touch is gone somehow, I can still feel you here right now, like a song that never fades away. Your love still lives in the sound we made. The electric keys are weeping, soft in shades of blue, and every note they're playing bends my soul to you. The percussion moves like raindrops on a window pane, a gentle kind of sorrow wrapped in sweet refrain. I close my eyes and almost feel your fingers trace the line between my longing and this empty space. For just a breath, your spirit settles next to mine, then drifts away like smoke dissolving into time. Oh, the harmony still trembles in my chest. Ooh, like your goodbye never quite came to rest. Your love still lives in the sound, in every heartbeat, every underground, in the skanking guitar, the piano's cry, in the harmony drifting through the midnight sky. And though your touch is gone somehow, I can still feel you here right now, like a song that never fades away. Your love still lives in the sound we made. Maybe love was never meant to stay. Maybe it was music meant to play, a moment sweet enough to leave a scar. A little light that lingers where you are. And if you hear this somewhere far tonight, know my soul still sings beneath this light. Your love still lives in the sound, still turning circles all around, in every note the night lets fall, in every silence after all. And if forever and somehow this melody will keep us now, like moonlight resting on the waves. Your love still lives, your love remains, still lives, still plays, still echoes through my heart this way.
The sunset fades into a velvet evening sky, but I still feel your heartbeat moving right in time. The ocean breeze so softly, like it knows our song. And I keep wondering where we went wrong. Your laughter still is hanging in the salty air, like you never learned that you're not there. And every little shadow on the shoreline slow feels like a memory I can't let go. Oh, and I don't know how to forget. It keeps replaying what we left. We still dance in the afterglow, where the warm island breezes blow. Even if the world says no, my heart still says you know. We still move to the same old sound, even when you're not around. In this love that won't let go, we still dance in the afterglow. The reggae guitars cry softly through the dark, like it's trying to relight a fading spark. The keys are floating easy like a drifting dream, pulling me back to what we used to be. The bass line walks so gently through my broken calm, like it's trying to become my healing balm. And every beat that rises from the mellow night still carries your light. Oh, I thought the silence would set me free, but it only brought you closer to me. We still dance in the afterglow, where the warm island breezes blow. Even if the world says no, my heart still says you know. We still move to the same old sound, even when you're not around. In this love that won't let go, we still dance in the afterglow. Maybe love don't really disappear, it just learned how to stay right here. In the rhythm, in the air, in the night, in the fading island light. And if you feel it too somehow, we're still dancing here and now. We still dance in the afterglow, where the ocean whispers low. Every memory starts to glow, like we never said no. And even time can't take control of the way you move my soul. In this love that won't let go, we still dance in the afterglow. Still dancing, still glowing in the afterglow. We're knowing. Under this sunset, we find our way. The sun is sliding low on the ocean line, and every golden ripple feels like your hand in mine. The reggae rhythm bouncing through my chest again, like it knows where we begin.
Your voice is in the wind, moving through the palms, like a soft little prayer that keeps me calm. And I don't need tomorrow if tonight can stay in this perfect fading day.
I feel your heartbeat calling through the evening light, like a warm Caribbean fire in the night.
The steel drums sparkle like a gentle smile, making every second feel worthwhile.
When you look at me, the world turns slow, like the tide that never wants to go. And I
Don't need answers, I just know it's true.
I'm right here with you. Don't let this moment fade away,
I'm holding on in every way,
like the ocean holds the shore.
I just want a little more.
Sunset like it knows your sacred place. And every skank of guitar that plays feels like love in Caribbean waves. I'm lost in a moment I don't wanna end with you again.
I hear laughter in the ocean breeze, like it's dancing through the palm trees. And every step you take so near makes the whole wide world disappear. The stars awaken just for us, turning silence into trust. And I don't need to know where we go, just hold me slow.
Stay right here in my arms tonight.
Everything already feels so right,
like the waves that never break.
this love is ours to make. Sunset between your voice and mine,
Where the sky turns gold and time unwinds.
every beat of the island shines when your heart meets mine. We don't need forever tonight, just this glow in the fading light. This rhythm so divine, sunset between your voice and mine.
If the night comes falling slow,
I'll still never let you go.
if the tide takes every dream,
I'll stay right in between.
this moment is all we need.
Love like a Caribbean breeze, sunset between your voice and mine.
Where forever starts in one design,
Every wave, every sign
brings your heart to mine.
we don't need tomorrow's light, just this endless island night. In this rhythm so divine, sunset between your voice and mine.
Stay with me
I'm already here
in the sunset.
between your voice and mine.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. The Caribbean moon is hanging low and slow tonight, like it's trying to hold us in its silver light. Your shadow dances softly on the wooden floor, and I don't want to ask for more. The ocean hums a secret through the open breeze, like it knows exactly what you mean to me. And every little heartbeat in my chest unfolds a story I don't want to let go. Oh, I feel you in the rhythm of the tide, like you're always by my side. Caribbean moon, don't let her go. Keep her here in your soft glow. Let this moment move so slow, we don't need tomorrow. Caribbean moon, hold her near, whisper everything I feel, turn my longing into gold. Don't let her go. The reggae guitar is painting love into the night, with every little chord that feels so right. The keys are floating gently like a dream on sea, pulling every part of you to me. The bassline wraps around us like a warm embrace. Time is melting slowly in the sacred space, and when you turn and look at me that way again, I forget where I begin. Oh, your touch is like the tide I can't control, pulling softly at my soul. Caribbean moon, don't let her go. Keep her here in your soft glow. Let this moment move so slow, we don't need tomorrow. Caribbean moon, hold her near, whisper everything I feel. afterglow.
Whisper in the dark, a little flame still glowing from a broken spark. The room is heavy with the smoke of yesterday, and every corner holds the words we didn't say. Your photograph is leaning by the window light, half in the shadow, half still burning soft and bright. And every time the needle drops and starts to play, I swear your spirit moves across me like a wave. Oh, love was sweeter than the island breeze, but even paradise can lose its leaves. This is the last song we slow dance to, the one that held me close to you. Your heartbeat moving soft and true, like nothing here could break into. But now the rhythm fades away and leaves me with the words you never stayed to say. Still I keep swaying like you want me to the last song we slow dance to. The electric piano cries a velvet kind of blue, a tender little lake that sounds exactly like you. And every reggae skank falls gentle in between, like footsteps disappearing from a fading dream. I close my eyes and let the harmony arrive, the luscious ghost of all the ways you made me feel alive. For just a moment I can almost touch your skin, then silence comes and breaks the spell again. Oh, the moon still hangs where we used to be, but it don't shine the same without your heat on me. This is the last song we slow dance to, the one that held me close to you. Your heartbeat moving soft and true, like nothing here could break into. But now the rhythm fades away and leaves me with the words you never stayed to say. Still I keep swaying like you want me to the last song we slow dance to. If love was written in the stars above, why did they fall the night we lost our touch? If every promise had a melody, why does yours still sing inside of me? And if your soul is somewhere here in this tonight, come find me in the pale Caribbean light. This is the last song we slow dance to, but I'm still hearing shades of you, still spinning circles through the blue, still holding on like lovers do. And if the music starts again, I'd fall into your arms like way back then, until the dawn comes breaking through. Inside the last song we slow dance to. The record's turning slower now, but my heart still moves with you. Sunsets melting slowly into shades of tangerine, painting little promises across the Caribbean sea. The air is full of music from the dance hall down the street, and every happy heart beats moving underneath my feet. You walk to me in moonlight with that smile I can't resist, like the stars all gather just to watch a moment like this. The breeze lifts up your hair and lets it shimmer in the glow, and suddenly my whole world starts to overflow. Oh, the way you look at me could stop the turning earth, like every dream I ever had is finally giving birth. Forever begins tonight, under these silent lights, with your hands holding mine so tight, and your love burning bright. We'll dance until the sunrise calls, and laugh until the moonlight falls. If heaven never touched this life, forever begins tonight. The road is floating easy like a cloud across the sky. The organ wraps around us like a sweet and joyful sigh. The tropical guitar skips lightly through the heat, and every little rhythm makes my soul complete. The bassline bounces golden like the beating of my chest, and every playful drum beat says this love has passed the test. The world keeps spinning softly to the way your body moves, and every step you take rewrites the truth. Oh, your kiss is sweeter than the mango on my tongue, and every note you give me sounds forever young. Forever begins tonight, under these island lights, with your hands holding mine so tight, and your love burning bright. We'll dance until the sunrise calls, and laugh until the moonlight falls. If heaven never touched this life, forever begins tonight. Let the stars come down and gather at our feet. Let the ocean sing along with every beat. Turn me around until the whole world disappears. And all that's left is love and all these happy tears. No fear of mourning, no fear of goodbye, just your sweet reflection shining in my eyes. Forever begins tonight, brighter than the neon light, with the shadows swaying side by side, like the tide meets the shoreline. We'll carry this song through the years, through every laughter, every tear. If love was ever born to fly, forever begins tonight. Hold me closer, don't let go. This is the start of all we'll ever know.
The night is moving slowly through the cracks in my soul. That old familiar record still won't let me go. The needle finds the chorus like it knows where you are, and suddenly your memory feels closer than afar. The room is full of echoes, dressed in amber and blue. Every little vibration sounds like something we once knew. And even when I try to let the silence settle in, I hear your voice returning on the rhythm once again. Oh, I thought the distance would erase your name, but every beat just calls you back the same. I still hear you in the groove, in every slow and steady move, like the bass line never learned to lose. The way it held on to you, and every skank of the guitar still lights you up inside my heart. No matter how the nights improve, I still hear you in the groove. Electric piano trembles like your fingertips at dawn, a soft and fragile memory of everything that's gone. The percussion keeps on breathing like a heartbeat in the dark, like it knows I'm still protecting every dying spark. The bassline walks so gently, like a lover in retreat, but never truly leaving what it can't admit defeat. And all the harmonies behind me rise and fade away, like you're still somewhere listening to what I cannot say. Oh, I try to change the song inside my head, but it always leads me back to what we said. I still hear you in the groove, in every slow and steady move, like the bass line never learned to lose. The way it held on to you, and every skank of the guitar still lights you up inside my heart. No matter how the nights improve, I still hear you in the groove. Maybe love was never meant to end, just transform into the sound it sends. Maybe what we lost along the way still plays softly every day. And if you ever feel it too, it means I never stop loving you. I still hear you in the groove, in the rhythm we once knew, like the ocean hears the moon and pulls it back too soon. And even if we're worlds apart, you still move inside my heart, like a song I can't unprove. I still hear you in the groove, still there, still true, still playing me and you.
The sunlight's pouring honey on the ocean blue, and every little wave keeps dancing back to you. The breeze is carrying laughter through the open air, and all the island's colors seem brighter when you're there. The market down the corner hums a sweet refrain, children singing softly as they run through summer rain. And when you reach and pull me closer to your side, the whole wide world starts moving with the tide. Oh, your smile's a fire that the daylight can't outshine, and every beat of my heart moves in time. It's It's golden hour on the island. Your love is glowing wild. Every little touch is sunlight, every little kiss a smile. We go swaying through the evening like the stars already know that this love was born for dancing in the afterglow. Golden hour on the island. The roads is floating easy like the clouds above, and every chord is wrapped inside the sound of love. The tropical guitar is skipping through the heat, a playful little rhythm pulling up our feet. The organ lifts the whole horizon into flight and paints the air with colors as the day turns into night. The bassline bounces warm beneath our happy souls, like a river made of joy we can't control. Your kiss is sweeter than the sugar cane, and every time you touch me starts the song again. It's golden hour on the island, and your love is glowing wild. Every little touch is sunlight, every little kiss a smile. We go swaying through the evening like the stars already know that this love was born for dancing in the afterglow. Golden hour on the island. Let the moon rise slowly over paradise tonight. Let the fireflies gather just to watch us in the light. Spin me like the vinyl when the DJ lets it play, and keep me in your rhythm till the break of day. Oh, this feeling's deeper than the endless sea, and every shining moment brings you closer to me. It's golden hour on the island, and our hearts are running free. Every little sound around us sings our sweet melody. We go laughing through forever, like the world was made to show that the brightest kind of loving lives inside this glow. Golden hour on the island. Stay with me, sway with me. Golden in this melody.
The evening falls so gently on your shoulders, like it doesn't wanna break this perfect night. The sky is painted soft in shades of fading gold, and every second feels like home I've never told. You lean a little closer, forget my name. The world around us flickers like a dancing flame, and all I know is right here in your quiet touch is everything I needed so much. Oh, I don't want the night to ever end, not when I've just found you again. So stay a little longer. Closer to my soul, let this The reggae guitar is whispering your name so sweet, like it knows exactly how our rhythms meet. The keys are floating gently through the evening air, like every note is saying you are there. The bass line moves in circles like a warm embrace, pulling every doubt right out of place. And when you smile, the whole world slows right down. No longer lost, no longer bound. Oh, every heartbeat says it too. It only wants to stay with you. So stay a little longer in my heart. Don't let the morning pull us apart. We can let the stars do what they do. Just me and you. Stay a little closer to my soul. Let this island love take control. If forever never starts tonight, I'll still be alright. Just stay a little longer in my heart. We don't need tomorrow's plans, just your hand in my hand. Let the ocean take its time while you're still here tonight. No fear, no rush, no goodbye. Just this glow between you and I. So stay a little longer in my heart. Let the silence fall apart. We can write our own truth tonight under Caribbean lights. Stay until the stars grow slow, until we don't need to know where the ending ever starts. Just stay a little longer in my heart. Don't go, just stay in my heart this way. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, the night falls slow across this empty room, like a lover whispering your name into the blue. The record spins that old familiar sound, and every note keeps pulling your memory around. The moonlight spills like silver on the floor, and I still catch myself expecting you at the door. The scent of jasmine lingers in the air, a quiet kind of proof that you were here. Oh, some loves don't leave when the goodbye is done. They stay like echoes after the song is gone. You're still a shadow in the moonlight, still the fire burning soft inside. And though your touch has drifted out of sight, you stay with me tonight, like the tide that always finds the shore, like a prayer my heart still whispers for. No matter how the dark becomes the dawn, your shadow lingers on. A mellow piano trembles in the dark, like the sound your fingers made against my heart. The reggae guitar answers low and sweet, a little ghost still swaying to our beat. The bass line moves so deep beneath my skin, like the way your loved ones wrapped around within. And every harmony behind the lead feels like your voice still singing next to me. Oh, your memory rises with the midnight breeze and settles softly through the coconut trees. You're still a shadow in the moonlight, still the fire burning soft inside. And though your touch has drifted out of sight, you stay with me tonight, like the time it always finds the shore. Oh, like a prayer my heart still whispers for. No matter how the dark becomes the dawn, your shadow lingers on. Maybe love was only borrowed from the stars, a little spark too bright to ever stay too long. But if forever lives inside a song, then yours is the one my soul keeps holding on. And if somewhere you can hear me call, know your name still rises through it all. You're still a shadow in the moonlight, still the truth behind these tired eyes. And even if the years should pass me by, you'll stay with me tonight, like the sea still reaching for the sky, like the moon refusing its goodbye. No matter where this lonely road may lead, your shadow stays with me. Still here, still near, like moonlight falling crystal clear. Oh man, the speakers on my memory I never learned to tame. Every low-end vibration still repeats your name. The night is soft and heavy, like a velvet curtain falls, and I keep hearing footsteps down these empty halls. The candle on the table flickers like it knows the truth, that every little silence still belongs to you. And even when the city fades into a distant sound, I swear your spirit lingers in the groove I found. Oh, I tried to silence what I can't erase, but you live inside the rhythm I still chase. She left her voice in the bass line, now it's spinning through my mind, like a river running slow and deep in time, that I cannot unwind. And every time the music plays, it takes me back to better days. No matter how I try to be fine, she left her voice in the bass line. your sighs, like a love that's overgrown, a bittersweet reminder I am never alone. The reggae guitar whispers through the spaces in between, like it's telling me the things I never truly seen. The percussion keeps on breathing like a memory in disguise, the quiet kind of sorrow that I recognize. And all the harmonies behind me rise and fall like rain, just to bring me back to you again. Oh, I thought the distance would set me free, but it only made you louder inside of me. She left her voice in the bass line. Now it's spinning through my mind, like a river running slow and deep in time, that I cannot unwind. And every time the music plays, it takes me back to better days. No matter how I try to be fine, she left her voice in the bass line. Maybe love don't really disappear, it just turns into what we hear. Baby, every note I try to escape is the love we couldn't say. And if you listen close tonight, you'll hear her in the lowing light. She left her voice in the bass line, still alive in every line. Like the ocean holds the tide, she's forever by my side. And though I walk this road alone, her melody has made a home in every song I try to redefine. She left her voice in the bass line, still there in the air. Her voice is playing everywhere. Ooh, yeah. The shoreline's glowing faintly in the early morning gray, like it knows I watched you vanish with the rising of the day. The tide was moving slowly like it didn't wanna go, but some goodbyes are written where the deepest waters flow. Your footsteps on the sand are gone, but I still see the trace, a fragile little outline of a love I can't replace. And every wave that crashes sounds like something we once knew, a memory still breathing in the space between us two. Oh, I held on longer than the sky could hold the sun, but even endless moments come undone. So I let the waves take you home, where the wind and ocean roam, where the love we had can gently turn to stone and leave my heart alone. I didn't want to say goodbye, but I saw it in the sky. Some loves are never meant to stay, so I let the waves take you away. The mellow piano drifts like drifting boats at sea, each note a quiet surrender of what used to be. The reggae guitar sighs softly through the salted air, like it knows I still can't find you anywhere. The bass line moves like sorrow, learning how to breathe, a steady kind of breaking that I never truly leave. And all the harmonies behind me fade into the blue, like even sound is breathing what it knew of you. Oh, I tried to keep your shadow in my hand, but love was never ours to understand. So I let the waves take you home, where the wind and ocean roam, where the love we had can gently turn to stone and leave my heart alone. I didn't want to say goodbye, but I saw it in the sky. Some loves are never meant to stay. So I let the waves take you away. If you ever feel the ocean call your name, no, it's only me still whispering the same. If the tide brings back a piece of me, let it drift back out to sea. So I let the waves take you home, though it hurts me to the bone. And I learn to live with what I can't control, and the love I have to own. And when the moonlight touches shore, I'll stop asking for you more. Somewhere deep where oceans pray, I let the waves take you away. Drift away, ooh, fade to gray. Love returns to ocean's way.
Oh, yeah. There's a little cafe on the corner by the sea, where the midnight speakers still play our old melody. The same sweet lover's rhythm, the same slow reggae sway, and every note still turns my heart the way you used to stay. The windows catch the moonlight like the tears I never showed, and the ocean keeps on talking all the things I'll never know, like where your spirit wandered when it slipped out of my hands, or if you ever miss me when the tide meets distant sands. Oh, some loves don't leave when goodbye is said. They bloom like moonflowers inside your head. It's the way you stare in my mind, like the stars they stitch to the night, like the moon still reaches for the tide, even when the shoreline says goodbye. And I can't erase the sound of your heartbeat moving through this town. You're the sweetest ghost I'll ever find, in the way you stay in my mind. The mellow piano shivers like your breath against my skin, that trembling kind of memory that always pulls me in. The bass line walks so softly, like your footsteps down the hall, silence held me like the safest kind of place. The way your laughter wrapped around the edges of the room, and somehow made the darkness feel like flowers come to bloom. Oh, your love still rises with the evening air, a fragile little prayer, still floating there. Is the way you stay in my mind, like the stars stay stitched to the night, like the moon still reaches for the tide, even when the shoreline says goodbye. And I can't erase the sound of your heartbeat moving through this town. You're the sweetest ghost I'll ever find, in the way you stay in my mind. Maybe some hearts were never meant to part, even when distance tears the world apart. Maybe love becomes a softer thing, a hidden harmony the soul still sings. And if you ever hear this in the dark, know your name still glows inside my heart. It's the way you stay in my mind, like the dawn leaves traces in the sky, like the sea still calls the moon at night, though they never truly touch this life. And if forever slips away, still your love will color every day. You're the sweetest song I left behind, in the way you stay in my mind. Still there, soft as moonlight on the tide, the way you stay in my mind. Shine like you mean it. Sunrise spilling diamonds on the waterline, palm leaves dancing shadows to the morning shine. The island wakes up singing with the radio, and every little color tells me love will grow. You step into the daylight with that easy grace, and suddenly the whole world lights across your face. The breeze gets sweeter every time you smile my way, like summer found 1,000 words to say. Oh, your laughter got the whole sky opening wide, like the sun itself is dancing by your side. Shine like you mean it, love me like the waves kiss the shore. Move like the rhythm, like your heart's never asked for more. Glow like the moonlight spinning in the warm night breeze. Stay in this moment and shine your love all over me. Shine like you mean it. The road is floating easy like a cloud above. The organ wraps around us with the sound of love. The tropical guitar skips playful through the air, and every little note says heaven's meeting here. The bass line bouncing underneath our happy feet turns every step we take into a memory. And when your body moves so close in reggae time, it feels like every star begins to rhyme. Oh, your touch is sweeter than the island wine, and every beat you're giving me feels divine. Shine like you mean it, love me like the waves kiss the shore. Move like the rhythm, like your heart's never
stars are hanging low above the ocean blue, and every little moment still feels like you. Your voice is wrapped in echoes through the island air. I can never learn that you're not there, and I keep finding pieces of your love inside every shadow of the tide. Ooh, I don't want the sky to change tonight, not when everything feels so right. Don't fade into the morning light, stay here in this gentle night. Let the world forget to turn and fight, just hold me tight. Don't let the sunrise steal your glow. Let this feeling move so slow. If love is what we're living for, don't fade into the morning light anymore. The reggae guitar is whispering your name again, like it's trying to fix what time has been. The keys are floating softly like a drifting dream, caught between what is and what's unseen. The bass line moves like warmth across my broken soul, trying to make the fractured pieces whole. And every beat that rises from the Caribbean sound still keeps your memory around. Oh, I feel you in the dark between the stars, like you never really went that far. Don't fade into the morning light, stay here in this gentle night. Let the world forget to turn and fight, just hold me tight. Don't let the sunrise steal your glow. Let this feeling move so slow. If love is what we're living for, don't fade into the morning light anymore. If time is just a wave that breaks, let me drown in what it makes. If forever is a fleeting sound, let it circle me around. And if you heal me through the wind, come back to where we both began. Don't fade into the morning light, stay with me until it's right. Let the night become my life, no end in sight. Don't let the world pull you away, let this moment choose to stay. If love is all we're living for, don't fade into the morning light anymore. Stay, don't go, don't let the night still softly glow. The ocean's talking tonight.
I hear it calling us back.
Hey. The shoreline's glowing amber as the daylight slips away, and every wave is telling me the things I couldn't say. Your memory is dancing on the water like a flame, softly whispering your name. The reggae groove is breathing like a heartbeat in the air. it's right here. I close my eyes and feel you in the rhythm of the sea, still moving next to me.
I feel your voice inside the warm Caribbean breeze, like it's floating through the palm trees.
The steel drums shimmer gently like a summer dream,
pulling you back to me.
when you say my name, the night stands still,
like it's learning how to feel. And I
no need forever to believe it's true.
I'm still with you. Don't let the moment drift too far,
I'm shining right where you are,
like the tide that knows the shore.
I keep coming back for more. When the waves sing your name back to me,
I remember what we used to be.
every ripple, every melody,
Feels like you're here with me.
and I don't need to understand.
Just the warmth of your hand,
In the silent harmony,
when the waves sing your name back to me.
the baseline walks so gently like it knows my broken heart. Every step a place where we would start,
The road is glowing softly like a candle in the dark,
still trying to light the spark. And every skank of guitar through the night,
feels like you're still in my
I
sight.
swear I hear you laughing in the distance of the tide.
Never really said goodbye. I'm swaying in the moonlight like you're standing here with me, lost inside this memory. Every star above us feels like it remembers too, what we went through. If I reach out into the night, will you still feel right?
'Cause I'm holding on to every little sign.
You're still mine.
Even time can't break this line,
You're still somewhere in my mind,
like the ocean never leaves the shore.
it keeps coming back for more.
When the waves sing your name back to me,
I remember what we used to be.
every ripple, every melody,
Feels like you're here with me.
I don't need to understand.
Just the warmth of your hand,
In the silent harmony,
when the waves sing your name back to me.
if the night forgets our trace,
I'll still see your face.
if the tide takes you away,
I'll still hear you say,
love don't fade, it only flows.
like the ocean,
Always know
way sing your name back to me.
it becomes my memory,
Every sound, every sea,
brings you back to me,
I don't need to understand.
just to feel you where I stand.
In this silent symphony, when the waves sing your name back to me, I still hear you.
I'm still with you.
When the waves sing your name back to me.
No, no map, no plan,
Just the island,
and us. The sky is burning softly like it knows our names, and nothing ever feels quite the same. Your shadow in the sunset moves across my heart, like we were never meant to be apart. The reggae groove is laughing through the evening air,
and I still feel you standing there,
like every wave that crashes on this golden shore is asking for something more.
I hear you in the rhythm of the palm trees sway, like the wind is teaching me your way. The steel drums sparkle gently like a dream come true. Every color leads me back to you.
And when you hold my hand, the world goes something deep survive. And every skanker guitar in this Caribbean night
feels like everything is right.
like the world was built for you and me to find one shared mind.
I'm swaying in the moonlight like I've always known. I was never really alone. Every star above us feels like it agrees with what I believe.
If I close my eyes, I feel your soul,
Making something broken whole.
and I don't need tomorrow to be real.
Just how I feel,
Even time can't break this glow.
I already know.
Like the ocean meets the sky,
We don't question why.
we let the island decide our love.
Under skies of gold above.
Every heartbeat fits like a glove.
In this moment,
We let the ocean ride our fate.
no fear, no rush.
No debate.
Just two souls that resonate in the moment.
We let the island decide our love. If the wind forgets our name,
I'll still feel the same.
if the tide pulls you away,
I'll still hear you say,
love is not what we control.
it's the rhythm in the soul.
We let the island decide our love, and it was always enough.
Every wave, every touch sings for us.
And I don't need to understand.
Just your heart
Art in my hand.
in this sunset land.
We let the island
Decide our love.
let it be.
Let it flow.
The island.
Already knows. The morning breeze comes dancing through the open window wide, carrying the scent of ocean and the sparkle of the tide. The island wakes up humming with a melody so sweet, and somehow every little sound is moving to your beat. You're laughing by the shoreline with the sunlight in your hair, and all the world feels brighter just because you're standing there. The way you call my name turns ordinary into gold. A simple little miracle I never wanna lose or hold too close. Oh, your smile's the kind of magic summer skies are made of, and every glance you give me feels like love. You're sweet like summer rain, falling soft and calling my name, washing all my worries away, leaving only sunshine. And every drop you leave behind makes flowers bloom inside my mind. Oh, loving you feels so divine, sweet like summer rain. The road is flowing easy like a cloud above the sea. The organ sings so cheerful like it knows our destiny. The tropical guitar is skipping through the air, a playful little heartbeat hanging everywhere. The bass line keeps on bouncing like the joy inside my chest. The drums are full of sunlight beating happy in my breath. And when you spin around me in that warm Caribbean glow, it feels like all the sweetest things begin to overflow. Oh, your touch is softer than the trade winds through the trees, and every kiss puts heaven at ease. You're sweet like summer rain, falling soft and calling my name, washing all my worries stars grow sleepy and the night sets sail. Hold me close while the whole world sways, like this island groove could last for days. No clouds above, no fear below, just this love and the way it flows. You're sweet like summer rain, cooling fire, easing pain, turning every dark to day with your golden sunshine. And if forever feels this bright, then I'll stay here every night, wrapped inside your love's delight. Sweet like summer rain, softly falling, sweetly calling, summer rain, and your love pouring. Yeah. The morning drifts in slowly with a scent of salt and lime. The island wakes up smiling like it's keeping perfect time. The waves are tapping rhythms on the edges of the shore, and every little sound is saying love is something more. You're standing in the sunlight with the ocean in your eyes, and every golden color feels reflected in your smile. The breeze moves through your hair like it was made to set it free, and all at once the whole wide world feels easy next to me. Oh, the way you laugh can chase the clouds away and turn the quietest blue into a brighter day. Love comes easy here with your heartbeat in my ear, and the whole world disappears when you hold me near. Underneath these island skies where forever feels alive, every moment feels so clear. Love comes easy here. Oh, the road is floating softly like the clouds above the bay. The organ paints a rainbow through the slowly fading day. The tropical guitar skips playful through the heat, and every little note keeps dancing at our feet. The bass line bounces warmly like the joy inside my